Hello there. Let me summarize what we did with APQC. We converted all 13 categories of their PCF content into pie recipes directly from their spreadsheet tabs, including all detailed row comments. All now available for free to import from this recipe store. In Pi, you can create projects as ready to execute by your company. All of the PCF content is at your fingertips. Assign dates to each task, assign team members, add files, post comments, and mark the work done. Other highlights include project list pages, dashboard charts, portfolio table, issue logs, and many other views. Now I'll show you how you can get set up with the PCF in Pi, and go to my.pi.me/store. You'll land on this page here, and you can either click on the search and select strategy and leadership to jump you to this section, or you can just scroll down to that section. You can see all of the PCF categories 1 through 13, and pick the one that will interest you. For example, if you want to look at this one, number 2, develop and manage product and services, and it brings you to the landing page. You can click on the import button right here. You can read the general contents of the recipe. You can watch a short video showing this particular PCF category in action in Pi. And then when you click on the import button, and if you're not signed up with Pi yet, click on this first button, sign up, and then just enter in the information. Once you click on create account, it's going to bring you to this page. It says first step is to verify the email that we just sent to you. For example, in my test here, this is the email. Click on the verify button, email confirmed, click on proceed to Pi. And then you get this welcome page. You can read a little bit about this. You can watch a welcome video, but I'm going to just show you what we did. So you can see we automatically created the project related to the PCF category that you wanted, and that's ready to go. You also have an extra project called Learning Pi, which I recommend to click in here and follow the steps. It'll show you all about how to get started with Pi. But if you want to just jump right in, just go ahead and click on the PCF project, click on the first slice, check out the process boxes, click on the first box, and then go on from there. In addition to that, if you go to the recipe page, you can see here that we have the recipe ready for you for reuse in the future. You can create many more projects using the same recipe. If you want to customize the PCF for your own company, we recommend that you do it in the recipe itself on the recipe page, which is from this icon. You can just go in here, you can move things around, you can change the order of the tasks, you can add a new task, you can delete, you can change the labels, and then later on you're ready to click on create project from that recipe and you're good to go. Well, we hope this video was helpful. Thanks for your time.